Founded in 2001, Henan Superior Abrasives Import-Export Limited Company is the leading provider of silica fume in China, and also the premium source of high-performance silica fume products for concrete and refractory industries. HSA's factory covers an area of 25,000 square meters with more than 126 employees. Based on a monthly output of 12,800 tons, the annual export value of HSA's factory exceeds $9,300,000 US. HSA has advanced production equipment and standard experimental instruments, and maintains close contact and strategic cooperation with many famous multinational corporations. Our market covers America, Canada, Middle East, Russia, Spain, South Africa, Southeast Asia, and etc. It's our belief that qualified products make credibility. We believe in such things as relieved, satisfied customer experience, the right products in the right places, well-organized logistics, and clean packages. In a word, every little improvement in products is a step closer to perfection. Together with you, we hope to work on products that defend the industry and try to make our world even better.